Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best table and chair rentals is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked aspects when planning any event, from intimate backyard gatherings to grand corporate functions, as the right setup not only provides essential seating and surfaces but also significantly impacts the overall ambience, guest comfort, and logistical flow, making a thoughtful selection paramount for a truly memorable and successful occasion. Number 5. Obstal 6-foot Spandex fitted table cover. Introducing the Obstal 6-foot Spandex fitted table cover. It's crafted from a high-quality blend of 90% polyester and 10% spandex, ensuring an extra stretchy and sturdy material for your events. This versatile tablecloth is perfect for both indoor and outdoor folding tables. Whether it's a birthday, party, wedding, or banquet, it seamlessly fits into any setting. These heavy-duty covers are stain and wrinkle resistant, making them an excellent choice for any event. They protect your tables from dirt, dust, and scratches, while also enhancing your decor with color and texture. Designed with 4 elastic leg pockets, it ensures a secure and uniform display. These pockets keep the cover firmly in place, ensuring every part of your rectangular table is perfectly covered. Caring for it is simple and convenient. This oblong microfiber cover is machine washable in cold water, making it easy to clean and reuse for countless events to come. What we like? This table cover offers a sleek, professional look for any event. Its stretch elastic material ensures a perfect, wrinkle-free fit every time. If you're looking for an easy way to elevate your event decor while protecting your tables, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Best Choice Products 8-foot plastic folding table. This table boasts a heavy-duty, easy-to-clean top, crafted from high-quality plastic that's up to 17% thicker than competitors. It can effortlessly support up to 300 pounds, making it incredibly reliable for all your needs. Its versatile design makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor events. Use it as a dining or game table for backyard cookouts, or as a convenient serving and display surface for any gathering. Equipped with powder-coated steel legs, secure frame joint locks, and non-slip rubber feet, it stays firmly in place. You can trust its robust support to keep everything steady throughout your event. Designed for convenience, it features a foldable structure complete with a side lock and handle. This makes it incredibly easy to transport wherever you need it or store it compactly when not in use. Setting it up is a breeze, it's ready right out of the box. Simply unfold it, lock the legs securely, and it's good to go for immediate use. What we like? This heavy-duty folding table is built to last and incredibly versatile. It can handle up to 300 pounds, making it perfect for any gathering, indoors or out. If you need a reliable, portable table that's easy to set up and store, this one is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 3. Best Choice Products 3-piece wooden table and chair set. This dining set is designed to be functional yet unobtrusive. Its chairs fit perfectly to the table's edges, making it ideal for any kitchen, dining room, or living room. It features a multipurpose lower shelf. This is perfect for holding bottles, food trays, and more, directly under the frame. The chairs are designed with a curved backrest to promote a healthy, comfortable posture. Each chair also boasts a high-quality construction with a 330-pound weight capacity. Its tabletop and seats are built with durable engineered wood. Both feature solid iron frames, ensuring this reliable set will last for years to come. This 3-piece wooden table and chair set is the perfect addition to small areas like dorms and apartments. It creates an intimate setting for meals with your favorite guest. What we like? This charming set is designed with efficiency and comfort in mind. Its space-saving design allows the chairs to tuck neatly under the table, ideal for smaller living areas. If you're furnishing a dorm or apartment and value both style and ergonomic comfort, this set is perfect. What people say. Number 2. Best Choice Products 3-piece wooden dining set black silver. This dining set is designed to be functional yet unobtrusive. Its chairs fit perfectly to the table's edges, making it ideal for any kitchen, dining room, or living room. It features a multipurpose lower shelf for added convenience. This shelf is perfect for holding bottles, food trays, and more, keeping essentials within reach. The chairs are crafted with a curved backrest to promote a healthy and comfortable posture. Each chair also boasts a high-quality construction with a 330-pound weight capacity. Its tabletop and seats are built with durable engineered wood, supported by solid iron frames. This reliable set is designed to last for years to come, offering enduring quality. This 3-piece set is the perfect addition to small areas like dorms and apartments. It allows for an intimate meal with your favorite guest, maximizing your space efficiently. What we like. This elegant dining set offers smart functionality for tight spaces. It features convenient built-in storage, perfect for keeping essentials close at hand. If you're seeking a durable, compact dining solution with added practicality for intimate meals, this set is a great find. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Therefore, the array of reviews is empty as per the instruction not to fabricate content. Number 1. Prestee 600-piece gold disposable dinnerware set for 100 guests. Introducing the Prestee 600-piece gold disposable dinnerware set. It's designed to serve 100 guests with elegance and ease, making your event planning simpler. This comprehensive 600-piece collection includes everything you need: dinner plates, salad plates, plastic cups, and a full set of forks, knives, and spoons. It ensures all your guests are well equipped. With beautiful gold trim on the plates and cutlery, it adds a touch of sophistication to any occasion. It's perfect for weddings, parties, and special events where presentation matters. Crafted from heavy-duty plastic, it reliably handles both hot and cold foods without bending or leaking. This ensures your guests can enjoy their meal without any worries. While designed for easy disposal, this set is also washable and reusable if you prefer. Made from food-safe plastic, it offers flexibility for one-time use or multiple celebrations. It's ideal for receptions, showers, family gatherings, and holiday parties. Enjoy simple cleanup while keeping your event stylish and memorable. What we like. This comprehensive dinnerware set brings elegance and convenience to any large event. With its luxurious gold trim, it elevates your party's aesthetic without the hassle of washing dishes. If you're hosting a wedding or big celebration and want stylish, easy cleanup, this set is your go-to. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.